Hello students, in this video I am going to give you complete detail about the reduced syllabus of mathematics class 10th. So students, as you all know, there are total 15 chapters in your syllabus and 3 out of 15 are those chapters in which there are no deletion, means you have to learn each and everything from the following 3 chapters, and these are chapter 9 height and distance, chapter 10 circles, and chapter 15 probability. So guys, in chapter 1, that is real number, is a topic Euclid division lemma. On page number 2, cut that topic and then directly come to exercise 1.1 on page number 7 and cut entire exercise as it totally based on Euclid division lemma. So guys, our next topic is polynomial. So come directly on page number 33 and there is a topic division algorithm for polynomial. Cut this topic and then directly come to page number 36 and cut exercise 2.3. Our next chapter is pair of linear equation in two variable. So students, from this chapter only cross multiplication method has been removed. So come directly on page number 57. There is a topic cross multiplication method. Cut this topic and exercise based on this topic is 3.5. But remember students, only the cross multiplication has been removed by CBSE, not the exercise. So question from this exercise may be asked in examination by other method. So do practice this exercise by substitution method and elimination method. Then come to chapter 4 quadratic equation. In this, only situational based question has been removed by CBSE. So directly come to the exercises. On page number 73 there is exercise 4.1. Cut question number 2 of 4.1 as question under this are totally situational based. Then on page number 76 there is exercise 4.2. Cut question number 6 of this exercise. Now come to page number 87 and there is exercise 4.3. Cut question number 1 of this exercise and then next page and cut question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now come to exercise 4.4 on page number 91 and cut question number 3, 4 and 5. Now come to next chapter, that is arithmetic progression. In this chapter also only situational based question removed. So directly come to exercise 5.1 on page number 99 and cut question number 1. Now come directly on page number 107 and cut question number 19 and 20. Now directly come on exercise 5.3 and cut question number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now come to chapter number 6, that is triangle. In this chapter, two theorem, that is 6.6 and 6.9 has been removed. So directly come to page number 141 and cut theorem 6.6. Now come to page number 143 and cut exercise 6.4. Now come to page number 146 and cut theorem 6.9 and in exercise 6.5 cut question related to theorem 6.9. Now open chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry, and come directly on page number 168 and cut topic area of triangle. Now come directly to exercise 7.3 and cut whole exercise. So students, come to chapter number 8, that is introduction to trigonometry. In this chapter only two topics are removed, that is motivate the ratio which are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree, and second one is trigonometry ratio of complementary angle. So come directly on page number 183 and there is a topic trigonometry ratio of 0 and 90 degree. You need not to make much focus on this topic, But remember, you have to learn this topic. Now come directly on page number 187, and there is a topic trigonometry ratios of complementary angle. Cut this topic and come directly to exercise 8.3 on page number 189 and cut the whole exercise. Now open directly chapter 11, that is construction, and come directly on page number 217, and there is a construction 11.2, that is to construct a triangle similar to given triangle as per given scale factor. Cut this construction and then directly come to exercise 11.1 and cut all the question except one, that is question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now our next chapter is area related to circles. In this chapter there are not much significant change, only problem on center angle of 120 degree has been removed. So directly come to exercise 12.2 on page number 230 and cut question number 7. Now come to chapter 13, that is surface area and volume. In this chapter only frustum of cone has been deleted, so directly come to page number 252 and there is a topic frustum of cone. Cut this topic and then come to exercise 13.4 on page number 257 and cut the whole exercise. Now open chapter 14, that is statistics. In this the following topics are removed. First, step deviation method for finding mean, and second is cumulative frequency graph. So come on page number 265, there is activity 1. Cut this activity as it explains the step deviation method. Now come to exercise 14.1 and solve this exercise only by direct method and assume mean method. Now open page number 289. There is a topic graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Cut this topic and then come to exercise 14.4 on page number 293 and cut the whole exercise.